Tammy Slaton has been on one of reality television's most unforgettable journeys, and her story continues to capture the hearts of viewers around the world. After years of battling obesity, health scares, personal struggles, and emotional hardships, the 1000 lb Sisters star reached a new chapter in her transformation, skin removal surgery. Fans have been following her progress since she began her weight loss journey, and now attention has shifted to how Tammy is coping both physically and emotionally with the aftermath of such a life-changing operation. While the procedure marked a triumph in her fight for health, it has also brought its own challenges, especially in terms of emotional adjustment and self-image. The question many fans are asking is, how is Tammy really doing now? Tammy's journey on 1000 lb Sisters has always been raw and unfiltered. From the earliest seasons, viewers saw her struggle with mobility, breathing difficulties, and dependence on supplemental oxygen. Her weight had become a life-threatening issue, and her attitude at times made family and fans doubt whether she would ever turn her life around. There were setbacks, heated arguments, and heartbreaking hospitalizations. At her lowest point, Tammy's health reached such a critical stage that even her siblings, Amy, Chris, and Amanda, wondered whether she could survive much longer. But Tammy shocked everyone by turning her situation around, working hard at a rehabilitation center, and eventually qualifying for bariatric surgery. Her perseverance and unexpected resilience made her one of reality television's most compelling comeback stories. After significant weight loss following bariatric surgery, Tammy faced a problem that many people who undergo dramatic transformations encounter: excess skin. For someone who had once weighed over 700 pounds, the amount of loose skin was not only an aesthetic concern but also a medical issue. It caused discomfort, skin infections, and challenges with mobility. Skin removal surgery, often referred to as body contouring surgery, was the next logical step in her health journey. But as exciting as the procedure was, it also brought a wave of emotional challenges that Tammy has been bravely confronting. The physical recovery from skin removal surgery is not easy. Patients often deal with swelling, pain, and limited mobility for weeks, sometimes months, after the procedure. For Tammy, who has already endured multiple health battles, this was another difficult test. But what makes this chapter of her story especially powerful is the emotional adjustment that comes with it. For years, Tammy has lived in a body that defined her in the eyes of others. The weight and size of her body shaped her identity, both personally and publicly, through the lens of 1000 lb Sisters. Losing that weight and now shedding the skin that once held her prisoner means confronting a new self-image, one that is drastically different from the Tammy viewer first met. Reports and social media updates suggest that Tammy is making progress, but it has been an emotional roller coaster. On one hand, she feels grateful to have undergone the surgery, recognizing that it has improved her quality of life and allowed her to experience new freedoms. On the other hand, adjusting to a body that looks and feels foreign is not something that happens overnight. Many fans have noted that Tammy appears more confident in recent photos and videos, smiling more and embracing fashion choices that highlight her transformation. Still, those close to her have hinted that she continues to wrestle with insecurities, moments of self-doubt, and the emotional weight of redefining who she is outside of the identity she once carried. One of the most powerful aspects of Tammy's story has always been the role of her family. Amy Slaton, her younger sister, has supported Tammy through countless ups and downs. Their relationship has often been complicated, with arguments and frustrations playing out on screen, but at its core, their bond remains unbreakable. Amy has reportedly been one of Tammy's biggest cheerleaders throughout the recovery process, encouraging her to stay focused and reminding her how far she has come. Their brother Chris, who has also embarked on his own weight loss journey, has offered practical advice and emotional support. Amanda, their outspoken sister, has provided the kind of tough love Tammy has needed during moments of self-pity. Together, the Slaton family continues to be a vital anchor for Tammy as she adjusts emotionally to her new reality. Another aspect of Tammy's emotional adjustment has been how fans and the public perceive her. For years, Tammy was cast in the role of the difficult sister, the one resistant to change, the one whose behavior frustrated viewers. Her stubbornness, sharp tongue, and clashes with loved ones made her a controversial figure, and many fans questioned whether she even wanted to live a healthier life. Now, after her surgeries and remarkable progress, Tammy has forced the world to see her differently. This shift in perception can be overwhelming, especially for someone who has spent years being criticized or doubted. Tammy has expressed gratitude for the support she's receiving now, but privately, the pressure to live up to her new image and maintain her progress is immense. The emotional side of skin removal surgery also involves coming to terms with scars. For Tammy, the scars on her body are both physical and symbolic. They are a reminder of her past struggles, but also proof of her resilience and survival. Some fans have praised her bravery in sharing glimpses of her journey online, while others have reminded her to take her time in healing. Body positivity is a theme Tammy has been vocal about, and she has used her platform to encourage others who may be going through similar struggles to embrace self-love, no matter the stage they are in. Still, there are moments when Tammy reportedly struggles with the idea of being truly comfortable in her own skin, something that even dramatic surgery cannot instantly fix. Tammy's emotional adjustment is also tied to her future goals. Before her surgery, so much of her focus was on simply surviving, getting healthy enough to undergo bariatric surgery, and later, preparing for skin removal. Now, with those hurdles behind her, the question becomes, what's next? Tammy has expressed interest in exploring new opportunities, perhaps even outside of reality television. She has hinted at wanting to inspire others, possibly through motivational speaking or by continuing to share her story online. These aspirations, however, come with the pressure of sustaining her progress and staying true to herself amid public scrutiny. In addition to her personal goals, Tammy is also navigating the complex world of relationships. Fans have watched her romantic life unfold on the show, with both triumphs and heartbreaks along the way. After skin removal surgery, Tammy has reportedly felt more confident about putting herself out there, but at the same time, she has shared concerns about people seeing her for who she is rather than for her newfound appearance. Emotional adjustment in this area is particularly delicate, as Tammy continues to balance vulnerability with self-protection. Perhaps one of the most inspiring elements of Tammy's story is her willingness to be open about the emotional toll this journey takes. So many reality stars shy away from showing the less glamorous side of weight loss and surgery recovery, but Tammy has never been afraid to let fans see her struggles. By talking openly about her insecurities, frustrations, and moments of doubt, she is breaking down stigmas and showing others that emotional healing is just as important as physical healing. As of now, Tammy Slaton is doing better than many ever imagined possible. She continues to recover from skin removal surgery, building her strength physically while learning to embrace her new body emotionally. Her journey is far from over, but what stands out most is the fact that Tammy has defied the odds time and time again. She is proof that even when the world doubts you, change is possible with determination, support, and courage. Fans remain invested in her progress not just because of the transformation they see on the outside, but because of the resilience and vulnerability she has shown on the inside. Looking ahead, Tammy's emotional adjustment after surgery will likely continue to be a process of self-discovery. She has already come so far, but the road ahead involves learning to truly accept herself and carve out a life that feels fulfilling beyond the numbers on a scale. Whether she continues sharing her journey on 1000lb Sisters or decides to pursue new paths, one thing is certain, Tammy's story is still unfolding, and her emotional growth will remain as much a part of her legacy as her physical transformation. Tammy Slaton's emotional adjustment after skin removal surgery is a reminder that weight loss journeys are never just about the physical results. They are about identity, self-worth, and learning to navigate life in a body that feels new. For Tammy, this chapter represents both triumph and challenge, but if her past resilience is any indication, she is more than capable of rising to meet it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.